Well, what's up, everyone? Just closing up the shop. Did you hear the ticking from my exhaust manifold on the cold startup? Typical for 5.7 Hemis. This is the shop truck, and it is, oh, by the way, welcome to the channel. How do I say it? Welcome back, welcome to the channel, I think. Somewhere around there. Where's the camera? Down there. So anywho, 2020 Ram, 5.7 Hemi. It has got 29,000 miles on it, and the exhaust manifolds are ticking. It sounds like it's the driver's side, but they're both just as common to have it on a passenger side. And then you can have broken bolts, cracked manifolds, you know. So I'm like, well, this truck's got I bought it 2 years ago. And full disclosure, I live in Cedar Lake, Indiana, and I bought it at my local dealership. And it's now called James Chrysler. I want to say Chrysler Plymouth, but there's no more Plymouth. It's Chrysler Dodge or Chrysler Ram on 41 in Cedar Lake is where I bought the vehicle. So I'm like, well, I checked to see if there was any recalls on it, and there isn't. I thought something with that big of a problem, there'd be some recalls. No recalls. I'm like, all right, well, the truck should come with the standard 336 powertrain warranty from Chrysler. When I remember when I bought the vehicle, I bought it a year and 4 or 5 months old with 15,000 miles on it, and it's now got 29. I'll just take it in and get it done under warranty, and they would take care of it. Well, I come to find out that this truck has no warranty, and I'm like, what the hell? What do you mean no warranty? So here's the deal. This is what they told me, and what they didn't tell me. The truck, and they did say something about it being a Canadian truck, and I thought, well, okay, Chrysler makes trucks in Canada, Chrysler makes trucks in the United States, and Chrysler makes trucks in Mexico. It's a Canadian truck. It came out. That's what the guy, the young kid who was the salesman at the dealership said. I didn't think nothing of it. Well, come to find out that it was sold as new in Canada, and the Canadian rules for warranty are different than the American rules for warranty. In America, if you buy an American Chrysler product, the warranty is transferable. It stays with the vehicle, okay? And I think there was a fee for that. I think it was a $100 fee. So don't forget now, I spent about 14 years at a Chrysler dealership as a technician. So I've been around a lot of this and know a few things. I was never in the sales department, but I know a little bit about the warranty. So they're telling me, when I went to take it in, and they told me, sorry, Mr. Cope, there's no warranty on it. The reason why there isn't a warranty, because it was originally sold in Canada, then I guess it was imported here for sale. In Canada, from what they're telling me, now I haven't done any research and I haven't verified this, but for what they're telling me, and I don't think they're lying, that in Canada the warranty stays with the original owner, and that's it. It's not transferable, and once the original owner sells the vehicle, there is no more warranty. Or once the original owner sells the vehicle to some schmuck in Cedar Lake, Indiana, United States of America, like me, then there's no warranty. So there's no warranty on the truck. Which, you know, I'm a Dodge technician. There's nothing, just about nothing I can't fix. The only thing I really never got into was air conditioning. So it's no big deal. And I know I was buying a secondhand. This guy's on my ass. I know I was buying a secondhand vehicle, you know, but I didn't think that, nothing told me that in my brain that the truck would not have the powertrain warranty that it came from the factory. You know, it's no more for a surprise to me. And so I called the dealership, and only to tell them, I'm like, there has to be a little disclosure here. You cannot sell a car or a truck to someone and not tell them up front, say, hey, by the way, John, there's no warranty on that truck, even though it's a year and a half old and there's 15,000 miles on it. They didn't tell me that. If they did, I probably would have looked for another car or another truck that did have a warranty. So when I called and talked to, I don't know who it was, maybe it was a receptionist, the girl at the dealership, she goes, oh yeah, this fucking guy is on my fucking ass again. The girl goes, some fucking stoner kid. The girl at the dealership goes, oh, my mother-in-law bought a car and it was from Canada and it didn't have no warranty either. So I'm thinking, is this common practice for James Chrysler, Plymouth, Dodge, DeSoto, Ram? I mean, what's the deal? You know, I kind of felt that there should be some upfront about it, you know. Here's a kick in the balls. I spent 14 years at Thomas Dodge doing nothing but warranty work. I've done enough 604s to stack them high as a Sears Tower. And the one time I wanted to get my truck fixed under warranty, there is no warranty. So, I mean, someone at that dealership had to know that this truck was purchased or imported from Canada. Someone at that dealership had to know there's no warranty on it. And all they had to do is be honest and say something. What are you going to do? So, my next video is going to be me and Lucas putting in exhaust manifolds and studs. I'm sure there's a broken or a broken exhaust manifold stud on my 2020 Ram. All right, I'm not bitching about it. I'm just saying it's kind of fucked up. All right, till next time. This is John Cope with the exhaust leak on my 2020 Ram saying Mopar to you.